Postman Installation. So you go to this website, www.postman.com. That is their official website, and here you can download, you can sign up for a free account if you like. And here, if you have a Windows, you can download it. You have Macs or Linux. I have a Windows, so I'm gonna download Windows. The Postman app, download the app to get started. Okay, I'm gonna download the Windows 64-bit. So it might go fast, but yeah, here in the meantime we can read a little bit here. So what is Postman? Postman is an API platform for building and using APIs. Postman simplifies each step of the API lifecycle and streamlines collaboration so you can create better APIs faster. Yeah, Postman is very useful when you try to build APIs, when you try, for example, to build your backend and you still haven't started on your front end. So you can start only with your backend. You can use Postman and you can see all your routes, all your get. You can use the get method, the post method, update method, the delete method. So it's very useful for backend. It's very useful for API. So yeah, let's open it. Okay, yeah, here you can read all this info. Okay, so this is the, okay, yeah, so this is the Postman application. Successful update version, so I have the version 10.5.2. so here is where you get all your methods. For example, if you click here in this plus sign, we can get a get method. We can also use a post method, a put, a patch, a delete, let's say a copy, for example. We can just copy this link here and we can post a method here. We can use the update. Where's the update? Well, the update is the put. So if you have some user ID, for example, some ID, you can put the ID, I don't know, whatever, 1 2 3. You would update it to this number. Also, if you want to delete it, you go to that and you would type the same ID. Let's say we type it here 122. So you would do the same and you could delete it. But yeah, in this video I just wanted to show you how to install Postman. Like I said, you can also get a sign up for free account, so you can use Postman on the web. And this is their official website. You can read some information here. So yeah.